Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg noodles at home. First, select a large pot to give your noodles plenty of room to expand and cook properly. You'll want to fill it with about 4 quarts of water for every 12 ounces of dry egg noodles you plan to prepare. Don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. This enhances the flavor of the noodles significantly. Bring this salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil before adding anything else. Once your water is at a strong, rolling boil, gently add your dry egg noodles. It's important to stir them right away to ensure they don't clump up and stick to each other or the bottom of the pot. Keep stirring occasionally throughout the cooking process. Most egg noodles will be perfectly cooked in about 6 to 8 minutes, but always check your package for specific timing recommendations. To check if your egg noodles are ready, simply pull one out and taste it. It should be tender and pleasant to chew, but still have a slight firmness, what we call al dente. Be careful not to overcook them, as mushy noodles are not very appealing. Once they reach your desired texture, immediately remove the pot from the heat and carefully drain all the water using a colander. After draining, resist the urge to rinse your noodles. Rinsing washes away the starch that helps sauces cling to them. Instead, toss the hot noodles with about 1 tablespoon of butter or a drizzle of olive oil to keep them from sticking together. This simple step also adds a lovely sheen and flavor. Serve your perfectly cooked egg noodles right away with your preferred sauce or as a delicious side dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.